Boy, is it a hot, hot, hot day. Hi, everyone. I am Laudiaann Sylvest, and what you see, I have a towel on my head. And ha, 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 ha. Yes, my husband thinks it's so cute. It's funny. He tells me I should go out like this in public. Can you believe it? But no. I just got out of the shower. And today I'm starting my day. I just uploaded some videos, so check them out. I've uploaded about 2 or 3, and pretty much I'm okay. Health-wise, I'm getting better every day after the hysterectomy. Just want to let everyone know, if you're at my YouTube channel, you don't know who I am. I am Laudiaann Sylvest. I go by the name by Coach Laudiaann as well. And a lot of people enjoy my videos, but a lot of people don't know about me. I did have surgery, and you're gonna see them some of my videos that I just recently had surgery. This is my 4th week. I'm better. It's just the healing takes a while for me to get going, and sometimes I get really tired. I go out for a walk, but when I come back, I'm so oh my gosh, I got to lay down and rest because my body hasn't, it's not normal yet. So it's a process of being healed and not working. So when I'm not working, what do? Well, I upload YouTube videos. So I have been creating YouTube videos. I have uploaded some crochet ebooks on my Etsy shop. And sorry about that. If you're not used to about looking at me with a towel on my head, well, I don't want to use a blow dryer. But anyway, subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. My channel talks about positive things, positive vibes for all of you all. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead, start one. If you want to make money on YouTube, you can. But let me tell you, it is work. It's a lot of work to create a YouTube channel, because you have to design it. You've got to have a plan. You got to know your niche. And basically, you've got to have a foundation. You got to know what you want to talk about. And whatever you're good at is what you should do. Now, I do have an Etsy listing. Click below. Get a YouTube journal from me. It's on discounts on my Etsy shop. And it's a guide, and it's going to help you, write down what you want to know, what you want to do. And it's going to give you a vision of starting a YouTube channel. Anyway, I have started this channel, I believe, in the year June 2020. And I now have finally reached 4,000 subscribers, which is really great. Okay, and I have been making YouTube videos. I've been consistent, but then there's breaks that I wasn't very consistent, because I would take 2 or 3 weeks of a break because of work and providing for my family, working a regular job. And I was working full-time, but then it cut down to part-time, and now I haven't been working since April 2022. And first was my tendonitis, my right shoulder, and it is still not well. Can you believe it? It's a healing process for my shoulder. So I'm going to go see my chiropractor. Maybe he can go ahead and he did fix it. There was an area on that arm where I had problems with my nerves, and he healed it, but now it's worked upwards. So my problem is my right shoulder, and I've got to get that fixed. If I can't get that fixed, and it keeps me limited, then I have to stop my job and find something else for work. So keep praying for me. I'm doing great. So it can be difficult some days, and then some days can be easy for me. But thank you for all. Watch my YouTube channel, subscribe, watch a video, leave comments, please. People are not leaving comments, they're leaving likes, or maybe they're watching my video, but they're not commenting. And I need to know the types of things you want me to talk about. And it will be easier for me to organize my content, what to speak about. Also, I want everyone at the end of every video, watch the next video because it's going to be good for you. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great day, a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.